Um, I thank God for you being here today. Pasensya na, I only have a few minutes because we have to prepare for session. Actually, sinabi ko no media. I just wanted to see kamusta yung mga pulis sa labas dahil napaka-init and just assure them that we appreciate their work. But I should have known better. There's media everywhere. So that's why I'm here. So siguro 3 or 4 questions. Transparency is part of the new majority. So I'll try to answer the questions to the best of my ability. Then need na mag-session. Ayan.
There's a resolution coming from the minority seeking Senator Goto to voluntarily surrender to proper authorities.
Yes. May konting kabastusan yung resolution because so although the Senate President said his piece yesterday, so far ang sinasabi ng dating Sergeant at Arms at ng NBI Director is that nakita niya yung warrant at coordinated sa kanya. Kaya makikita niyo po, nakakalat ang mga agents all over the Senate yesterday. This is the first time that happened. Hindi po excuse yung akala mo hindi dadating. Pwede ba yun, akala mo hindi dadating? Pag may dumating dito, may dalang warrant. Kung may dumating dito, may dalang warrant for Senator Soto, for my sister, for Senator Jinggoy. Di ba? I will tell them, we will assist you. You can serve it. Oh, if the senator claims that he was denied due process, we'll allow him to file whatever sa court. Pag na-exhaust na yon at hindi, at meron pa rin na warrant of arrest, this is a foreign warrant of arrest. We don't even know if it's valid or hindi.
How will you be treating this, sir? So from the opposition, will is it up for debates later? Will you be voting, sir?
We're the majority, sorry. The new majority, I'm so used to calling ourselves the minority, will meet on it, but even if 24 signed, that doesn't mean we will agenda it right away. Diba? But sa akin yon, ang pakiusap ko lang, ako, I tried my best. Diba? Nakita niyo naman speech ko, yung pakiusap ko yesterday. This is not the first attempt na hulihin siya or first attempt na to take over the majority. Pero parating may foul na ginagawa eh. Hindi na statesman's-like eh, di ba? They could have asked us, they could have saw us, the five, and asked, ano bang plano? They could talk to us. They could talk to Senator Bato. Nandiyan siya. Hanggang gabi, nandito kami. Hindi nga natutulog yung tao. Magpa-file ka ng resolution. Di ba? Ano yan? Pang politika. Yung ginagalit nila, base nila.
Sir, you mentioned na mapupunta to sa ethics.
No, I said possible if the investigation shows that senators plotted to keep another senator from attending the session. That's a criminal offense. Diba? I agree with everyone who's saying na mabigat ang hinaharap natin sa ekonomiya natin. Inflation is so high. Farmers, logistics, lahat ng transport, hindi lang sa tricycle, taxi, jeepney, bus driver, including yung mga nag-aantay ng pagkain ito, pati yung mga multinational na it's not easy to import, let's say, medicine, then get it to all the islands of the Philippines. Doble yung logistics mo, dahil gasolina o crudo or ano din ang gamit ng mga vapor, tapos yung diesel din ang gamit ng mga truck. So, we want to shift to that. But sila ang stop sa hindi na sila majority.
Sir, will your preliminary
We'll discuss on the majority. But gusto sa natas ng aking damdamin kanina yun, nakita ko lahat ng pulis. Diba? Kawawa naman yung pulis. They should be manning their posts. They should be at least not exposed sa araw, bringing those heavy gears. Diba? Pero we're creating this kind of situation.
What in your preliminary investigation, sir? May lumalabas ba na may active front para arestuhin si Senator Bato ng Monday? May active front para arrestahan.
Ang sinasabi na alam at hindi ko na I think my sister will speak about that. Ako natural aware ako, nagsalita ako doon at sinabi ko that he's coming into the business. Kaya sila gulat lang lahat dahil every time na magpapalit, gumagawa ng paraan at takutin siya na huwag pumunta dito. Sa ngayon nakakita, nung wala dito, no work, no pay, nasaan ka, magpakita ka, mag-resign ka na lang kung ayaw. Nung nagpakita, huhulihin mo. Ngayon na nandito na, gusto mo namang isuko.
Pero sir, nakita nyo ba so far sa preliminary investigation nyo na may active plot from your colleagues na ipa-aresto?
I don't wanna go beyond what I said already because I'm gonna meet the majority. I'm gonna look at all the reports. Basically, inulit ko lang yung sinabi ko ngayon, yung sinabi ko sa podium yesterday, di ba? Nung nagsalita si Senator Soto, sabi niya, ganito, ganyan, binasa ko yung sinabi ng Sergeant at Arms. Sabi ng Sergeant at Arms, hindi. Not only 7 a.m., 2 p.m., pinakita pa rin sa inyo. Di ba? Sinabi po ng NBI, sir, makakapasok ba lahat ng agents? Nandiyan ba silang lahat kung hindi pa pumayag si SP? Pumayag si SP. So, hanggang dun lang muna ako, di ba? I'm just saying that we're trying to shift to the bigger picture, which is the spiritual, financial, economic, social well-being of our country, not only the political. Oh, but what is the other side doing?
Sir, meron po bang active threat ngayon sa leadership niyo considering the fact na medyo magulo dahil dito nga sa
We will assume that, 'di ba? Sabi nga nila, manipis ang majority namin. Ang sagot ko lang doon, mas mabuting manipis kaso sa makapal.
Pero sir,
'Di ba? Majority nga kayo dati, makapal naman. Oh.
What do you mean by that?
Sabi niya manipis ang majority namin. Oh. Oh, 'di ba? Okay. So, at the very least, yung pinaka-respeto natin sa kapwa senador, makapasok ka, you can use the facilities of the Senate, hindi ka sinusundan ng CCTV, hindi ka trinethreaten, hindi nag-iimbento ng mga accusations sa kapwa, 'di ba? Hindi tinatakot yung kasama mo sa majority. That's why I said nga, statesman-like sana, nagpalit, let's move on. Pero sa ginagawa nila ngayon, parang pinipilit nilang magsalita kami kung bakit tumagal ang palitan ng leadership. So, kung papalitan nila kami, all they have to do is go upstairs. Nung natalo ako kay Senator Pimentel ng 2016, nag-dinner pa kami kasama si PRRD with Senator Soto, Senator Lacson. I think Senator Pimentel was there. Nagkamayan pa kami sa Malacanang bago. Then I didn't go to the SONA. I didn't go here, sa SONA na ako pumunta. Oh. Nung nagpalit at naging Senate President si Senator Subiri, wala namang problema eh. Nung umakyat kami ni Senator Escudero, pinakita sa kanya, mga boss, may pirmahan. Yakapan pa kami. Siyempre may konting sinong bumaliktad, sinong ganon. But yun, private lang yun. Diba? So, nung pumalit si Senator Soto, ang umakyat napaka-close pa sa amin. Umakyat kay Senator Cheese. O siya pa nag-oath eh. O. So, before the break, alam nila may hawak akong 14. Hindi dapat ako. It was someone else. O. Anong ginawa nila? May ginawa sila. Para hindi kami umabot ng 14. O. So, ngayon, choice nila kasi hindi namin sila atrasan eh. Pero sana isipin nila yung mga pulis na sa labas. Sana isipin nila yung oras nyo sa news. Would you rather be reporting on inflation, on tourism, on gas prices, di ba, on education, on the super El Nino? Or would you rather keep talking about Bato? Di ba? Wala naman sine si Bato eh. Hindi naman box office yung kay Bato. So may legal issue. So let the court decide. Can't we move on from that?
Sir, categorical
Diba?
lang. What will you do with the resolution of minority? Will you allow it to be taken up later?
We're meeting right after with the acting majority leader.
Pero sir, meron bang threat sa leadership niyo?
There's always a threat. Kaya lalo ngayon na mainit ang politika. And I'm ready at any time. I didn't ask for this. If natuloy yung ating palit ng leadership bago nung break, hindi ako ang Senate President. Kung hindi ako tumulong kay Senator Cheese, hindi din. I don't want to discuss na yung each and every member nga. Kasi nga, let's face it, di ba? 24 ang aming senior citizens. Bakit ang DOH huli na naman? Di ba may southern at northern hemisphere pagdating sa flu shots, patapos na yung isang hemisphere, papunta na dun sa kabila. Hindi pa tayo nakakabili. Masasabi mo ba sa senior citizen na nagka-flu, tapos nagka-pneumonia, namatay? Masasabi mo ba, sorry, kasi we failed sa bidding? Di ba, guys?
Sir, sa process lang, kapag po nakita sa investigation na yung colleagues, some of your colleagues are involved in the plan or plot to arrest Senator De La Rosa, you will file an ethics complaint?
Two things. One, that's up to Senator Bato dahil siya naman ang involved. Ako, I'm more talking about the institution. sometimes if it's more political action, it's better just to let it go and to be statesmen and stateswomen, di ba? Yung parang okay, that's part of the game. Medyo may konti kang siko, konti kang sipa. Sige, pero no harm, no foul. No blood, no foul. Di ba? So we want to move there. We want to talk about real issues. Di ba? So let me stop there, guys, kasi I'm sure I'll brief you then by the end of the day. Yeah, last question.
Last question. Kayo po ang kumausap kay Senator Bato na magpunta rito yung utang.
Many people have been talking to him for the longest time. And as of Sunday evening, ang alam namin hindi siya dadating. Pero nagkausap kami ng Monday morning. Then he told me that he's around. And then we made the arrangement for him to get here. And that's obvious because nung nagsalita ako, di ba? Sabi ko, we have 13 and Senator De La Rosa will come in. That's why nagulat ako nung pumasok na humihingal, tumatakbo. Kasi sabi ko, you don't have to come in dramatically. Yung pala, hinahabol na ng mga ahente ng NBI. Let me stop there, guys. I just have to do some work. Tapos, yeah. Senator Pia will speak about it. But I will tell you everything because there's no crime. Di ba? Ang mag-hitch ba ng ride ngayon, bawal na?
But the van is yours.
I don't want to preempt yung speech ni Senator Pia, but later on we'll answer all the questions.
Thank you, guys.